Hello, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about the automatic needle threader that's on the Janome Skyline series, or at least the Skyline S7 and the S9. I can't remember about the S5. So I've got my thread down here, and I'll put it in this first guide. So it's under this bar right here. Now, the first thing that you really need to do when you're going to use your needle threader is press your needle down and needle up. And what this does is this gets the needle, assuming that you have the needle in properly all the way pushed up, but it gets it in the right position so that the little hook that comes through the eye of the needle can come through and grab the thread. So the next thing you do is, you see this little guide here, is you just take the thread and put it through this guide, pull it over, bring it through here, and I take it up to the thread cutter and cut off the thread. Some people just leave it hanging, but that's, I do that. And then you just, well, sometimes it takes a couple of times. Let's pull it up here again. And there you go. It is threaded now. So just have a little patience with your machine. Once you get used to threading it, it will work. I usually actually thread mine a little bit faster by hand than doing it with the needle threader. But you can, that time got it first try. So just be careful. Enjoy and hope you like. Talk to you later. Bye.